What's going on YouTube? Rob here again with another video. We're gonna do some floor scraping today. We got a little unit here from our local rental company. We're gonna scrape these floors and you're gonna watch us do a little time lapse. Let's get into it. All right guys, we're coming into a little rough spot here. It's in the bathroom area. We were having a tough time with this little rental thing here, so we actually decided to get a little ingenuity and pull out the old weed burner. This weed burner is nice because we just flame it right in front of it and it kind of melts the glue down and we're able to kind of burn right through it. Little update. And we're back. Wow, that was intense. So as you can see, we had a little trouble in the bathroom area. But thanks to this puppy, we did have a pretty good idea. Obviously, if you want to use a torch inside, you gotta have good ventilation. But this thing worked its magic. Once we got that thing in front of the scraper, it just kind of warmed up the glue and everything just peeled right up. So we appreciate you guys. This is Rob, it was Chris and Nate also back there helping us out. We'll see you next time.